In today's day and age, it's often difficult to find recipes that are affordable, healthy, and delicious. To help tackle this problem, CU Medicine has partnered with the CU Anschutz Health and Wellness Center, where our CU Medicine Weight Management and Wellness Clinic is located, to provide recipes that are both nutritious and delicious. Bonus, they won't break the bank. To discuss this partnership and share how CU Anschutz Health and Wellness Center is taking it one step further with their expert-led cooking classes, I'm joined here with Anita Bancroft, who is a registered dietitian and certified culinarian. Anita is the program manager of the Community Nutrition Programs team at the center. And to start, Anita, could you share what kind of cooking classes are available at CU Anschutz Health and Wellness Center?
Yeah, so we have a few different cooking options. Our virtual fresh take cooking demonstration. And so this is the one that is actually open to everybody. So our entire community, our campus and our Aurora community. So this class is a blend of culinary science and nutrition, and it occurs one time a month. This is going to be Thursdays from 5 to 5:30, and these classes are $8 a person. And we also have a $2 off with the CU Medicine newsletter.
These classes sound great. Could you share why choosing budget-friendly world vegetarian cuisines is important?
There's several benefits and really just various reasons why it is important for us to choose these budget-friendly world cuisines that are vegetarian. So the first one is really cultural diversity and inclusion. And so opting for the budget-friendly vegetarian world cuisine for our cooking classes, it just really makes it accessible to a wider audience. So really it allows us to include many who follow a vegetarian diet due to religion or culture or even just personal preference. The next benefit I would say would be cost. So we really want participants to be able to remake our recipes that they cook with us. So not everyone can afford expensive ingredients, and by focusing on these budget-friendly options, the culinary nutrition education really becomes more inclusive. And I think it's important to show people that you don't have to have expensive ingredients to make something healthy and delicious. So that's definitely a benefit there too. And then really just world cuisines offer so many varieties of flavor and cooking techniques. And by incorporating budget-friendly dishes from different cultures, we can really focus on our cooking classes becoming a celebration of global cuisines. And then finally, of course, nutrition aspects is something that we always think about. So vegetarian cuisines really offer a variety of produce, so either fresh or frozen or even canned. So we can talk about all those different options. And then things like whole grains and legumes and different plant-based proteins. And really teaching these recipes helps people learn about balanced nutrition and vitamins and minerals within their food. If you're interested in our cooking classes, the Community Nutrition Programs team partners with the CU Medicine newsletter to bring fun, healthy recipes each month. And if you subscribe to their newsletter, then they actually post their $2 off fresh take coupon. So it's a discount code that you can sign up through Eventbrite. And with that code, you'll get the $2 off. You can also find us on our website. And then if you click on nutrition and kind of navigate over to the cooking classes tab, you'll find all the classes that you might be interested in.